Rasa, back at it again. Ooh, look at this. 2 videos in a row. Okay. What we got going on down here?
Well, she didn't steal my bed, but she did steal my bumper.
I'll explain. Basically, you know that we got the step side on last night. Very, very excited and happy about it. But if you guys remember me telling you, the people that we bought the step side from, when they were removing it, they freaking cut the bumper, like, to get it off. So I don't have a freaking bumper. In the meantime, while we're on the mission of looking for one, I am gonna take the one from the Lobo. We do have a few things. I mean, we have a lot of things that still need to be done with the Boricua. You already know that I still need to do my my skylights. Anyways, I might take off my headliner today and I might start working on that. But you can see, we told you guys that we need to paint the fender flare. The fender flare is going to be white. We need to paint the steps and the top, and I forget what he calls these bumper pads. I think it's bumper pads. We need to paint all that black. You can see one of my side skirts is hanging on by something he tied it with. The other one's still intact, but either way, it's gonna have to be replaced. The step side is not fully bolted on yet. It's just sitting on top. We're talking about also starting to scuff so that we can paint. We might do that today. But this is what we have going on currently.
Now we're gonna find a bumper for the Lobo.
Let me prepare. One side's up, the other side's down. Okay, what do you think? I gotta change the license plate.
And you gotta change the harness of the lights.
Okay, you just gotta show me how to do that.
You gotta go over there, take a headlight,
take the lights and all that out.
The harness goes this way, and it goes this way, and then goes up. Pretty easy. Fish it out through the holes, get the harness out, bring it over here.
Take all these off, take all these out?
Yeah, I don't think there's much left over.
Okay. Now, just so you know, he has not given me any direction. He let me loose on my own, so we gotta try and figure this out. This is what we're looking like right here. I'm trying to not ask him any more questions like of what to do because I want to figure it out myself. I think I'll feel really good if I do this on my own without too much guidance. And I think the next thing I have to do is take my lights off, which I've never done before, but it can't be that hard. I think you literally just pop it off. Don't judge me in the comments if I'm wrong. I was a little bit wrong. He told me to open the tailgate and there would be screws inside. Oh, it must be these screws right here. Oh, those are bolts. I see that there's bolts here. This is the only ones that I think it could be. He said it was screws, but they're not. Figured it out. I got my 8, which I think it is. Gunzada. Dang, it's kind of awkward being this close into the camera like this, you know? Now it's time to take the light off. Let me show you my work so far. I'm actually so excited about it. It's been so long since we've worked on any of the trucks and cars that I love accomplishing it by myself. Oh, am I reading that right? Right. So me being responsible, I put the lights back on and then I am going to close the tailgate, pull them out, bring them to the Boricua. I don't know, actually he said when I pull them out we're gonna clean them up. I don't know what that means though.
How's it going?
Doing really good.
Professional. You look like you've done this before.
Like my man said, it's like I've done this before. I haven't. But I did get it out. I don't know what he means by wanting to clean it up, but we gotta bring it to the Boricua now. So I'm gonna do that, and then he's doing some like grinding and welding to help with some body work on the Regal. So whenever he finds time. I forgot to mention that, well, actually forgot that I still had to do this. I have to pull the rest of the harness off of the step side, whatever's left of it that they didn't cut. So probably same exact thing. Give me a second. Actually forgot that I went down there without having this tool with me. let me wear white today. We got it. You can see right here is where they cut it at. Alright, next. So I forgot to tell you, I had to go take the bolts off from the Boricua to put this plate on. So that's what we gotta work on now. I almost forgot to do that part, so. But then I closed the truck bed and it flew off. So that'll do it, you know. I know that my man has no faith in me because I went over there looking for one of these when it's a star. He's like, oh, you still working on the lights? The audacity, no faith. Because first of all, you know what I mean? Anyways, before I try and fish the harness through there, also guys, I'm scared because the clips broke, so I might have to use like zip ties and that's gonna piss me off. I wanted to make sure that everything is fitting before. I just don't know what I'm doing, okay? So I'm sure my man wouldn't have done this part, but I wanted to make sure everything fits before I try and fish it through there. The clips keep breaking because they're so freaking old. Will they glue this on or what? Oh, I'm gonna get so pissed off. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, I got it. This is such an ugly angle. Don't judge me. Oh, this is so. These probably. I actually don't even have any idea. Good job on your phone.
Okay.
What up? I just need to fish it through the top now.
That's what's up, man.
I just need to fish it through that hole if you want to help me. At least I got some help now.
It's gonna go to the back bumper. That one.
What one? Yeah, that one. I don't know where does that go.
Goes either through the license plate hole or something. Because that's your trailer light.
The trailer light?
But that's it? That's all you got?
Yeah, I just have to fish both of these to
plugged
the side. Yeah, everything's plugged in.
Okay.
We finally got the wiring harness done. My man helped me with the last little few parts of fishing it through and plugging in the tail lights. Everything's good. Everything's looking good. I did say that we were gonna go run to AutoZone today because Lexi was gonna be working and I was gonna get a new battery for the truck because I get the discount that she gets at work, but I found out she's not working. But she is gonna go with me right now because I still get that employee discount, 20% off. So I need to go get a new battery for the truck, so let's go. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this was a little bit of a hassle. We went and got the battery at AutoZone, got my nice little discount, and then got all the way home and realized we got the wrong one. I got the one with the side post, not the top post. But anyways, we're here now, so we're gonna swap this out for this new bad boy here. To be honest with you, I've never changed a battery before, and my man's busy, so I don't wanna ask him any questions. You hear him grinding over there, that's him. Okay, 1 second. Help me? I've never done this before, so I don't know how to do it. So I was doing it right. That one
Let's just take this off.
I can use metal on this and not get electrocuted. I verified that if I put metal on this, I will not get electrocuted. Also, the truck is dead. How did he twist it off like that with his freaking hands? Got him. My problem now is getting the battery out because as you can see, maybe I can fix it. I'm a genius. Alright, Lexi taught me how to put on those things. So first, we're gonna put these pads on like that and like that.
Okay.
Then we're gonna put, I'm scared, is it gonna do anything?
No.
We're gonna put the terminals on.
Beautiful.
Babe, you told me it wouldn't do nothing.
It wouldn't.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so those are nice and on there, and then Lexi said to put the grease on it.
For what?
Prevent corrosion. Here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I bought this for $5.
Never heard of that.
She works at AutoZone, so she knows.
They are the experts.
Done.
I would have never put that on there, but
What about the pads? You would have never done that either? New batteries in there. My assumption is that everything should start now. What do you think?
Yeah, it should start now. Brand new battery.
Yeah.
I don't see why not.
You know what my fear is? My fear is that, remember on the Lobo, how it used to say that the doors were open when the doors weren't? and it
Mhm.
would kill the battery, that's what I'm scared is gonna happen.
Lifetime warranty, no?
That doesn't fix the problem.
Yes, it does. You got warranty.
No, because then that's an electrical issue.
I don't think that's gonna be the issue. It's just the old battery. So 1122.
Oh, it's from 2022. Yeah, I see that.